Have you ever wondered what it's like to stroll through narrow alleyways that hide centuries of history? How about indulging in mouth-watering street food while breathing in the salty Mediterranean air? Join us as we uncover the best things to do in Bari, Italy. Number 11. Bari's Old Town. Bari's Old Town is an incredible destination for those craving an authentic Italian adventure. With its distinct charm and historical allure, this ancient center stands out among Italy's old towns. History buffs will be mesmerized by the countless awe-inspiring medieval buildings that dot the streets. But Bari offers more than just a walk through time. Don't miss the chance to bask in the glorious sun on its picturesque coastline, with sandy beaches calling for a refreshing swim. As you wander the narrow alleys, entertain yourself with mouth-watering local delicacies like Orecchiette pasta and freshly caught seafood. Number 10. Bari's Piazza Mercantile. Explore the lively Piazza Mercantile, a dynamic square that pulsates with activity. Surrounded by stunning palaces, this bustling hub offers a fantastic array of restaurants, bars, and cafes where you can indulge in delicious local cuisine. As you explore, you'll discover the historical significance of Piazza Mercantile, as it has long been an essential part of Bari's cultural heritage. Don't miss the chance to join a walking tour that incorporates this iconic square into its itinerary, allowing you to soak up the enchanting charm of the attraction. Also, keep your eyes peeled for street performers who bring an extra dose of entertainment to Bari's vibrant nightlife scene. Number 9. Bari's Basilica San Nicola. Welcome to Basilica San Nicola, a true marvel of architecture. This historic gem stands tall as a symbol of religious significance and boasts stunning southern Italian design. Stepping inside, you'll instantly find solace from the bustling city life, surrounded by an aura of peace and tranquility. Marvel at the intricate details that showcase the finesse of European architecture, each one telling a story of its own. And let the spiritual essence wash over you, inviting moments of reflection and inner calm. Remember, this cultural treasure is not just a church, but an enchanting escape where history comes alive and serenity finds its home. Number 8. Alberobello. Make a day trip to Alberobello, an exciting town located in the heart of Puglia, just a short distance from Bari. It's a place where you'll find a truly unique architectural wonder. These whimsical conical-roofed structures, reminiscent of wild fungi, are a sight you won't see anywhere else in the world. Alberobello's charm lies in its peaceful atmosphere and the fascinating history behind these whitewashed stone houses. Take the time to wander through the narrow streets, soak up the picturesque views of rolling hills, and marvel at the olive groves that line your path. Number 7. Bari Old Harbor. Check out the Bari Old Harbor when you're in Bari. This engrossing seaside promenade is a true reflection of the city's cultural heritage and historical importance. History buffs and culture enthusiasts will find it fascinating. Explore the Mediterranean ambience of the Bari Old Harbor and enjoy the local traditions. Don't miss the chance to witness skilled local women making traditional pasta right on the streets. As you stroll along the harbor, make sure to take in the awesome coastal views from different vantage points. Number 6. Monopoli. Take a trip to Monopoli, a lovely town just south of Bari. Its appeal lies in its picturesque historic center, beautiful beaches, and tantalizing seafood. As you tour the narrow alleys of the old town, discover medieval churches and local shops offering handmade ceramics and olive oil. Beach lovers have numerous options in Monopoli. Visit Cara Paradiso or Porto Marzano Beach for breathtaking views of crystal clear waters and rocky cliffs. To truly appreciate the beaches, rent a boat or kayak from one of the local rental companies along the coast. Indulge in the town's culinary delights at excellent restaurants where you can savor fresh seafood from the Adriatic Sea and authentic Italian dishes made with locally sourced ingredients. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Bari experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 5. Bari Castle. Admire the Bari Castle, also known as Castello Svevo. This fortress is a popular tourist spot with a rich history. Built in the 12th century, it sits on the western edge of Old Bari. From its towers and battlements, you'll be treated to wide views of the city. To make the most of your visit, consider a guided tour led by knowledgeable locals. They'll walk you through the castle's fascinating past, including intriguing facts about King Frederick II, who commissioned its construction. Don't miss the chance to visit the small museum inside, where you'll discover intriguing relics that showcase the vibrant past of Bari. And as you stroll along the castle walls, you'll be entranced by the panoramic views of the surrounding sea. Number 4. Strada delle Orecchiette. Experience the vibrant culinary scene of Bari by watching local women expertly make and sell handmade pasta on Strada delle Orecchiette. It's not just a treat for your taste buds, but also an absorbing cultural experience. These skilled artisans have been perfecting the art of crafting traditional orecchiette pasta for generations, using a simple blend of semolina flour and water. As you stroll along this charming street, you'll witness the intricate process unfold before your eyes. Take the chance to purchase some of this mouth-watering pasta as a delightful edible souvenir to savor the flavors of Bari long after your visit. Number 3. Bari's beaches. For a more thrilling experience, make sure to head to Bari's beaches. Situated on the Adriatic Sea in Italy's Apulia region, Bari is home to some of the most attractive beaches you'll ever see. One beach that stands out is Pane Pomodoro, conveniently located just a short drive away from Bari's Old Town. Take a relaxed walk along the coast and you'll be rewarded with a sandy paradise and impressive views of the Mediterranean. What's more, this beach offers various amenities like restaurants, changing rooms, sunbed rentals, and showers, ensuring you have everything you need for a memorable beach day. Number 2. Bari Cathedral. When in Bari, make sure to check out the remarkable Bari Cathedral, also called the Cathedral of San Sabino. With its striking medieval charm, this Romanesque-style masterpiece, built from 1087 to 1197, awaits your exploration. Its entrancing white limestone structure is an architectural delight. But what truly sets it apart is the presence of St. Nicholas's remains, the legendary Santa Claus. This relic makes the cathedral an enticing destination for history buffs and those seeking a spiritual experience. Inside, you'll discover exquisite artwork, awe-inspiring frescoes, and ornate sculptures that depict the rich history of the region. Take a moment to soak up the tranquil atmosphere and appreciate the centuries of devotion and craftsmanship that went into creating this place of worship. Number 1. Matera. Looking for a top day trip from Bari? Head to Matera, an ancient city brimming with allure and history. Explore its stunning architecture and UNESCO World Heritage sites, but don't miss the true gem, the ravine of Sassi di Matera. As you stroll through this magnificent complex of cave dwellings, you'll be transported back in time. These dwellings have witnessed the passage of centuries from prehistoric times to their transformation into Europe's most deprived slums. Today, they serve as a testament to the resilience and triumph of the community. Click here for more things to do in Italy.